The year is 1750 BC. We are in ancient Mesopotamia, the land between the rivers. This is the cradle of civilization. Here in the fertile plains, nourished by the Tigris and Euphrates, a mighty king reigns. His name is Hammurabi. He rules over Babylon, a city destined to become a legend. Hammurabi's reign is long and prosperous. He is a shrewd ruler and a skilled military leader. He unites vast swathes of Mesopotamia under his banner. But Hammurabi is not remembered solely for his conquests. He is also known for a remarkable achievement, the creation of a comprehensive legal code. This code will forever etch his name in the annals of history. For the first time, laws are not arbitrary or subject to the whims of rulers. They are written down, carved in stone for all to see. This is a monumental step. It marks the transition from a world governed by custom and oral tradition to one based on written law. Hammurabi's code is a beacon of order in a world often ruled by chaos. Imagine a towering pillar of black stone gleaming under the Mesopotamian sun. This is the Stele of Hammurabi. It stands over 8 feet tall, a silent sentinel of justice. Upon it, carved with exquisite detail, are the 282 laws that make up Hammurabi's code. The stele is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. At its top, a magnificent relief depicts Hammurabi standing before Shamash, the god of justice. The sun god, seated on his throne, hands Hammurabi a rod and ring, symbols of authority and justice. Below this divine encounter, the laws are inscribed in neat rows of cuneiform script. These laws cover a wide range of matters. They address crimes, property rights, family law, and even business dealings. The code is remarkably comprehensive for its time, providing detailed regulations for almost every aspect of Babylonian life. It is a testament to the advanced state of Mesopotamian society. One of the most famous aspects of Hammurabi's code is the Principle of Lex Talionis. This Latin phrase means law of retaliation. It is the idea that punishment should fit the crime. If you injure someone, you should be injured in the same way. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, as the saying goes. This principle is evident throughout the code. For instance, if a man breaks the bone of another man, his bone shall be broken in return. If a builder constructs a house that collapses and kills the owner, the builder shall be put to death. These are harsh punishments, but they reflect the code's emphasis on retribution and deterrence. However, the principle of Lex Talionis is not applied blindly. The code recognizes social hierarchy. Punishments often vary depending on the social status of both the victim and the perpetrator. This reflects the hierarchical nature of Babylonian society. While Hammurabi's code is a remarkable achievement, it is important to remember the context in which it was created. Babylonian society was deeply stratified. At the top were the elites, royalty, priests and wealthy landowners. Below them were commoners, farmers, merchants and artisans. At the very bottom were slaves. This social hierarchy is reflected in the code. Punishments for crimes are often less severe if the victim is of lower status. For example, if a man strikes a woman of higher rank, he will be severely punished. But if he strikes a slave woman, he may only have to pay a fine. This disparity highlights the inequalities inherent in Babylonian society. Despite these inequalities, the code does offer some protections for the vulnerable. It includes provisions for the care of widows and orphans. It regulates the treatment of slaves, prohibiting excessive cruelty. While these protections may seem limited by modern standards, they represent an early attempt to mitigate the harsh realities of ancient life. While the eye for an eye principle dominates, Hammurabi's code also reveals a nascent sense of justice beyond pure retribution. There are glimpses of fairness, attempts to ensure that punishments are proportionate and that the innocent are protected. The code emphasizes the importance of evidence and witnesses in legal proceedings. Accusations alone are not enough to convict someone. False accusations are severely punished, demonstrating a concern for protecting the innocent from malicious claims. Furthermore, the code delves into civil matters with surprising detail. It regulates contracts, inheritance and property rights, laying down rules for business transactions and family disputes. These provisions aim to prevent disputes and ensure order in daily life, going beyond the simple punishment of wrongdoing. Hammurabi's code, etched in stone, has resonated through the millennia. It influenced later legal systems in the Middle East, including those of the Hittites and Assyrians. Echoes of its principles can even be found in the Torah and, by extension, in Jewish and Christian legal traditions. The code's influence extends beyond the ancient world. It stands as a testament to the enduring human desire for law and order. It reminds us that even in the earliest civilizations, there was a need to regulate behavior, resolve disputes, and protect the weak. Today, Hammurabi's code is studied by legal scholars and historians alike. It provides invaluable insights into the legal thinking, social structures, and daily life of ancient Mesopotamia. It reminds us that law is not static. It evolves over time, reflecting the changing values and beliefs of society. As we stand before the Stele of Hammurabi, we are transported back in time. We see the bustling streets of Babylon, hear the clamour of the marketplace, and sense the weight of justice being dispensed. Hammurabi's code, though created in a distant era, speaks to us across the centuries. It reminds us that the quest for justice is timeless. Though our laws and legal systems have evolved significantly since Hammurabi's time, the fundamental principles he articulated, the need for order, fairness, and protection of the vulnerable, remain as relevant as ever. Hammurabi's code is a testament to the enduring power of law. It is a reminder that even in the face of chaos and uncertainty, humans have always sought to create order and establish justice, and that quest continues to this day. Like and subscribe for more.